Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm Nikhil. Today I'll be explaining a topic from the subject Traffic Engineering. The subject code is 21CV652. So let's get started. So introduction to model integration on traffic conditions in India. Model integration is the process of coordinating various modes of transportation such as public transit, private vehicles, bicycles, and pedestrians to create a seamless and efficient transportation network. This approach aims to improve overall mobility reduce congestion, and promote sustainable development in urban areas. There are different types of modes of transportation in India. India's transportation landscape is a diverse tapestry encompassing a wide range of modes to cater the needs of its vast population, from the iconic ambassador cars and ambiguous auto rickshaws to the expansive rail network and rapidly growing aviation industries. The country's transportation ecosystem is a complex and evolving system. Public transportation, including urban buses, metro rails, and suburban trains, plays a crucial role in facilitating the movement of people, particularly in the bustling metropolitan areas. The country's road network, spanning highways, expressways, and rural roads, serves as the backbone for both the passenger and freight transport. Challenges in the current transportation system. India's transportation system faces significant challenges that hinder its efficiency and sustainability. Congestion on roads at major hubs leads to long commute times, pollution, and economic losses. Lack of integration between different modes of transport, such as buses, trains, and metros, create gaps in accessibility and inconvenience for commuters. Inadequate infrastructure, especially in urban areas, struggles to keep up with the growing population and increasing demand for mobility. Additionally, safety concerns and the prevalence of informal transportation options pose risk to passengers. Inconsistent regulations and limited coordination between various agencies responsible for transportation planning and management compound these challenges. Addressing these issues is crucial to enhancing the overall efficiency and sustainability of India's transportation system. What are the benefits of modal integration? The first one being improved commuting. Modal integration enables seamless transitions between different modes of transport, reducing travel time and inconvenience for commuters. It provides more options and flexibility, improving overall commuting efficiency. The next one being environmental benefits. By encouraging the use of public transportation, walking, and cycling, modern integration helps reduce fuel consumption and greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a more sustainable transportation system. Increased accessibility. Modern integration ensures that transportation services are accessible to a wider range of users, including the range of including the elderly, disabled, and those without access to private vehicles, improving overall mobility and social inclusion. What are the strategies for effective model integration? So, coordination and planning. Effective coordination between different transportation agencies and modes is crucial for seamless model integration. Comprehensive planning that considers the need of all stakeholders and aligns infrastructure, schedules, and policies is essential for successful implementation. Integrated ticketing and payment. Implementing a unified ticketing and payment system that allows users to seamlessly transition between modes can greatly improve the convenience and accessibility of the transportation network. This can involve smart cards, mobile or other innovative solutions. Multimodal hubs and stations. Develop well-designed multimodal hubs and stations that facilitate smooth connection between different modes such as buses, trains, and ride-sharing services can enhance the overall user experience and encourage the use of integrated transportation options. Case studies on successful model integration projects. To illustrate the benefits of model integration, it's helpful to examine real-world examples of successful implementation. One notable case study is the integrated transportation system in Singapore, where a comprehensive network of buses, trains, and taxis seamlessly connect throughout the city state. By offering convenient intermodal transfers and unified ticketing, Singapore has encouraged a shift away from private vehicle use, resulting in reduced congestion and improved air quality. Another successful model integration project can be found in Stockholm, Sweden, where the city has invested heavily in bike share programs, pedestrian friendly infrastructure, and multimodal transit hubs. This holistic approach has led to a significant increase in sustainable mode share and a comprehensive proper traffic related emissions. These case studies demonstrate that with strategic planning, robust public-private partnerships, and a commitment to shifting travel behaviors, cities can overcome the challenges of modal fragmentation and realize the full benefits of a truly integrated transportation network. What are the barriers to modal integration implementation? The first one being lack of coordination. Effective modal transportation requires coordination among various transportation agencies, service providers, and government entities. Lack of communication and alignment across these stakeholders can hinder the implementation of integrated systems. The second one being funding challenges. Implementing model integration initiatives often requires significant upfront investments in infrastructure, technology, and operational changes. Securing adequate and sustained funding can be a major barrier, especially in resource constrained environments. Regulatory hurdles. Existing laws and regulations may not adequately address the requirements of model integration, leading to legal and compliance challenges. Overcoming these regulatory barriers can slow down the implementation process. Public adoption. Successful model integration relies on public acceptance and adoption. Changing people's travel behavior and convincing them to use interconnected transportation services can be a significant challenge that requires effective communication and incentives. What are the technical advancements in modern integration? Emerging technologies are transforming the landscape of modern integration, enabling seamless connectivity and enhanced user experiences. Real-time data analytics, smart mobility platforms, and advanced transportation management systems are optimizing multimodal networks and improving commuter decision making. What is the role of the government and policymakers? Governments and policymakers play a crucial role in driving the integration of various transportation modes in India. They have the authority to establish the necessary legal and regulatory frameworks, develop comprehensive transportation policies, and allocate funding to support the implementation of modern integration initiatives. Effective coordination and collaboration between different government agencies, such as the Ministry of Transport and Highways, the Ministry of Railways, and the Ministry of Urban Development, is essential for ensuring a cohesive and integrated transportation system. Additionally, government incentives and subsidies can encourage the adoption of more sustainable and efficient modes of transportation, such as public transit, cycling, and electric vehicles. Policymakers can also implement land use plan strategies that promote transit oriented development and mixed use communities, which can reduce the overall need for private vehicle usage and foster a more integrated multimodal ecosystem. Ultimately, the leadership and vision of governments and policymakers are crucial in driving the successful integration of transportation modes in India, ultimately leading to improved traffic conditions, reduced congestion, and a more sustainable transportation future. What is the impact of model integration on traffic conditions? Effective model integration has led to significant improvement in India's transportation system. The data shows that metro rail, bus rapid transit, and multimodal hubs have all contributed to increases in passenger kilometers traveled and reduction in travel times. These advancements have helped alleviate traffic congestion and improve overall mobility for commuters. So let's get on with the conclusion and future outlook. As we have explored the significant benefits of modern integration in India's transportation system, it is clear that this approach holds immense potential for improving traffic conditions and enhancing overall mobility. Looking ahead, the successful implementation of modal integration strategies will depend on continued collaboration between the government, industry, and community stakeholders. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.